In this tutorial, I'll show you how connecting Claude to your Power BI desktop reports can completely change the way you work with your data. Open Claude Desktop and a Power BI desktop report. Firstly, we need to connect Claude to your desktop report. In the prompt, be clear to connect to the open Power BI desktop file and even put the file name to help it connect. Great, once it's successfully connected, first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a date table. I want it to be called Axon dim date, and I want it to connect in the model to Axon fact link using the date column. It's created the Axon dim date table here. I'm just going to refresh, make sure it's all up to date. And if we go into the model view, and there we can see Axon dim date table has been created and is connected to Axon fact link on the date column as requested. I want this dim date table to be a bit more complex, so I'm going to ask Claude to add as many date columns as it can. As you can see, it's asked a few questions about the date table. So I want it to include all the standard columns, and I do not want them to be calculated columns. Okay, as you can see here, it's listed the columns that it's created within the date table. Let's just refresh the visual. And we can see the columns here. It's asking now about creating relationships with other tables. So I'll get that to add to our Axon fact link. Refresh, and as you can see here, it's connected date to date in Axon fact link. Let's get Claude to create a new measures table and call it measures table hyphen Claude. Refresh the report. As you can see, it's created it here. No measures inside it yet. Let's create a new DAX expression to calculate total distance. And we'll take that from a Catapult fact table and call the new measure total distance. We can see there is the new DAX expression that it created all by itself.